everyone, and welcome back to another video. It's Brianna Ray from BriIY here to bring you a super fun $5 craft that I found at the dollar store. Of course I did. So as we know, Dollar Tree has increased their prices. They are no longer $1 a pop as it was when I once started this channel, but it is $1.25 now. So, I mean, I still think it's possible to make a quality Dollar Tree craft for under $5. So I picked 4 things from the dollar store, plus a couple of things I'm gonna have from my own collection at home. And, oh gosh, these acrylics are so thick. I'm gonna need to get something in there like a butter knife. But I think we can make a $5 dollar store DIY snow globe with this, fun little DIY snow globe kit that I found at the Dollar Tree just this morning. This is a really great idea for maybe creating some sort of Christmas decor. If you maybe had a Cricut and you wanted to vinyl the outside of these, would also be really great for like personalization. If you wanted to do this with kiddos and have them pick little mini figurines to put on the inside, I just think there's a ton of cool opportunities for these. And also, like, how fun is this? So, yeah, it has this, obviously it's plastic, it's not glass, so it's shatterproof water globe. It's got an information list for, like, all the supplies that you're gonna need. Hot melt adhesive, no idea what that is. I'm assuming that's the glue for a glue gun. And the other things I got from the dollar store include, of course, this glittery snow. It didn't come with it, but it was right next to it. And it looks like the right stuff that goes on the inside of a snow globe. I also, right next to that, found these teeny tiny little trees. How stupidly cute. And I decided that I wanted to go a step further. Instead of just doing the winter, like, snow scene, I wanted to do, like, a little truck that was carrying a tree away. So I got a little Hot Wheel. How cute is this? Finding the right sized Hot Wheel for this was a huge pain, and I still think like it might be a little bit too big, but I think I want to just take some twine and wrap. You're gonna see it. I think it's gonna be really cute, but these are the only 4 things that I got. Was the snow globe itself, the snow, this, and all together this is $5 for $1.25 each, not including tax, unfortunately, but let's not be technical here. I'm trying to do something fun and creative, and also fast. So let's heat up the hot glue gun and get started. This is wild. This says that I should let my hot glue dry for 24 hours. Why? I kind of set this in the base here so that it sits up straight when I fill it. And this guy, I'm just going to start gluing stuff to. Obviously, I want this to kind of be my snow. I've got my glue gun over here, and I think I'm just going to start by doing the snow all around the base first. And I'm, of course, going to have to open up my Hot Wheel. I have never had a toy car in my life, I don't think. This is my first toy car I'm ever opening. It really is a Christmas miracle. How cute. I always think like mini cars are really cute. There's this, I'm like really into Volkswagen buses. My husband and I always say that whenever they bring the bus back, we're getting the new bus. So I really want the new bus. There's like these like tiny little, display toy cars that, and then there's little buses, and I just think they're so cute, and I want one so bad, but like for no obvious reason. So I don't know, just a little fun fact about me as I'm thinking Christmas-wise. There's 8 of these trees. I'm not gonna use all these. These are just like bottle brush trees. Obviously you just take like a bottle scrubber basically and kind of trim them up, so you could make these in theory. I kind of want to unscrew this like golden base on like a couple of them, and I want to stack them in the back of the tree, in the back of the truck, kind of like this, like maybe a couple of them. So I think these is a little bit too long for me, so I'm going to come in with a wire cutter and snip them a little bit short. Like this one's crazy long. It does not need to be. So I'm going to snip these edges off nice and short. That way we can keep them nice and tight to the truck here. This one is a wreck. Oh my god. I'm sure I could fluff it out a little bit, but if we're gonna smush it up anyway, might as well just kind of let it be. Like this one over here, too tall. I don't think I'm gonna use this one just because it's a little bit messy on the bottom. But I tried to keep my like neatest looking ones that we're gonna put kind of actually in the scene itself. So I'll pick from those whatever I like the best, and these 3 are gonna go in the back of the truck. And then I'll probably do like 2 in the actual snow, maybe something like that. Gosh, darn it, didn't realize I wasn't recording. It's not gonna stick. Woof, that's rough. Okay, so I've kind of got this like glue situation, and I don't want it to be like here on the bottom. I want to be able to sprinkle this like snow on here. Create this full-on winter wonderland vibe, and I'll just get the rest of it back into the thing. Right, not too bad. I love the little iridescent pieces in here. They're so pretty to me. I feel like I'm going to have to kind of stand a little bit off the edges. That way it goes in more smoothly a little bit later. Here next, I also love looking in the back. It's got like a little upside down skateboards and like tires and stuff. So the details on this are actually quite cute. I have my couple that are kind of messed up. So this is my crustiest one. I think I'm gonna stick that one on the bottom. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue. This is also hot Gorilla Glue. This stuff is hardcore, my dudes. Like, if you are ever looking for like a really good hot glue, hot Gorilla Glue will mess your day up and won't feel even bad about it. I got this string at a Goodwill like a hot minute ago. And I believe that it is for like knitting doilies. Okay, and I'm just gonna wrap my tree in it a couple of times. Trim the excess here, just so it doesn't hang out the sides. Don't want that. Yeah. Cute! Oh, that's really cute actually. I quite like it. I'm gonna have this centered up on my snow globe here. So I need to pick which trees I want. And I'm gonna do kind of one in the front and then one closer to the back. Like this perhaps, just to kind of fill in the space, I think. I think making them bigger is maybe ambitious, but I can definitely make them smaller. I'm just gonna come in here with my wire cutter, just rip some bits and bobs off. And I've got a tinier tree that can fit like kind of back here. Really glue it up there. And kind of in the front next to little babes there. Not too hard. Oh yes, that's cute. Particularly since I didn't scuff up the sides, this should just be able to kind of slice through a bit and then peel. Yeah, like that. To make a nice kind of even field here for our trees. Yes! There we go. Now it's actually kind of intermingling a little bit. A little shake. You can see like a little bit of green. Especially if you shake instead of just stir. Yeah, that'll be good. This is what we're going for. All right. Got my snow globe kind of rested in here. And I'm just going to pour about halfway. And then Supposed to seal it real good with some extra hot glue around the edges. I'm like fully prepared to flip this around and for it to just one like burst or two like all of my pieces like float to the top, because again, I've never done actually something like this before. But okay, tiniest little amount of oil on your hands is making this difficult, but oh, it's bluer than I was expecting, but I don't hate it. I genuinely wasn't expecting it to be so blue. I kind of like it though, because it makes the blue glitter feel super intentional, or I guess just matches better. I think it's quite pretty actually, in a way I didn't expect. For me, this is arguably too plastic looking for my particular tastes. So I don't really know what I would do about that, except maybe find some sort of like equally sized like votive or something to put on the bottom of it to like set it in, or maybe like wrapping the base in some like florals or garland or something. Wait. Yes, I love this so much better. Look how pretty. Yes, definitely much more up my vibe. Still in the right palette. I mean, looking at all the blue, I kind of wish I would have gone for like a green or something, but it's a functional snow globe and it only cost me $5. My cat's very excited if you heard that. Oh my goodness. Well, this was fun. I hope you enjoyed what you guys saw. So this was just kind of one of my fun little DIYs that I got from the dollar store today. I kind of wanted to go over one more before I wrapped up this video and just kind of show you what I did for my coworkers this year. So this year I found some super cute mugs and some little mini ornaments, and I made these little tags with my Cricut this year with a mug brownie recipe. Basically, I'm gifting them the recipe. So I've got like all the dry ingredients with like these cute little tags that I made from my label maker that say what to add, obviously the recipe itself to make the mug brownie, the little mini ornament, and of course a mug to make the brownie in. And I just wrapped all this with some tissue paper and stuff, but overall each of these only cost me like $2 to make, just because all I had to buy really was the mini ornaments, and this isn't even necessary, but I had all the tags, I had the dry ingredients in my thing already, and they're single serving, so it wasn't a huge ask to like pull a bunch of it together. I cut out these super cute snowflake things with my Cricut, or you can make them by hand, or simply just add a handwritten card with the recipe on it. This is what it looks like all done. How cute is this like sweater mug? But I just, wrapped the tag and everything from the ornament. Didn't even have to tie anything onto the tags. I just kind of strung the ornament through the loop, wrapped this in here. I balled up a little bag on the inside to kind of add some height to this. But yeah, this was like everything said and done under $2 to make gifts for everybody for work. So these are kind of my two big, craft ideas that I got from the dollar store just from my little trip today. Honestly, looking at this, I feel like I probably could have filled it up even more with water, but overall I'm quite pleased with the way that these turned out. I haven't done like some real authentic dollar store projects in a while, but I am very pleased with the way that these came out. Very holiday, very festive. And I know everyone's all upset that the dollar store is now like $1.25 instead of $1, but I still think that if you know what you're looking for and you buy smart, it can still be a really cost-effective option for making some fun holiday gifts for the people in your life. And that is all I have to say on that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, feel free to like and subscribe. I do put out new videos every Sunday at noon Eastern Standard Time, and I would love for you to be here for the next one. Thanks again so much, and I hope to see you then. Bye!